Hi everyone! Welcome to the Math for Kitty channel. Today we're going to play a counting game. This quiz contains 10 questions, each with 4 possible answers. Think carefully, then choose the correct answer. Don't forget to take a note on how many of your answers were correct or incorrect. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe. Let's begin. What is 2 plus 3? The answer is 5. Great job. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 1 plus 2? The answer is 3. Well done. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. What is 4 plus 5? The answer is 9. You rock. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 3 plus 6? The answer is 9. Well done. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What is 5 plus 2? The answer is 7. You're doing amazing. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 1 plus 4? The answer is 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is 2 plus 6? The answer is 8. Fantastic effort. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 3 plus 1? The answer is 4. Outstanding. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 5 plus 3? The answer is 8. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is 0 plus 7? The answer is 7. You're a star. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to support our channel.